Okay, so welcome to Emacs coding classes. This is VK Sinha here, and today we are going to talking about a ternary operator. Okay, so what is ternary operator? We have to understand. This operator is similar works as your if-else statement. That is all the process. If you are going to compare between two variable, between two data, and if you have to compare means I can say I have to compare only the two data. That time I will use if-else or ternary operator. So I can use either ternary operator or like if-else statement. Okay. So here I am giving the syntax here. So I am going to open the parenthesis, writing the condition here first. So I am writing the syntax of this ternary operator here. So condition if you are giving here question marks, and on that moment we have to give the true block here. Okay. So true block we are giving to this part, and finally I am going to like columns to this one, and now you have to use one columns, and there will be used to that so there will be used to that false block. Okay, so what I am going to use here, that is my false block I will use like this one. Okay, so now this statement will be the terminate with this true block and false block here. Okay, so now this is a syntax of your ternary operator. So if condition will be the true, like if my condition is true, that time this block true block will be the execute. Okay, if condition will be the false, it go to the false block signal. That's a false block statement will be the execute here. सो मीन्स सिंपल से कहने का अर्थ ये है कि टर्नरी ऑपरेटर सिमिलरली वर्क करता है इफ इल्स की तरह। इफ इल्स में भी हम पहले कंडीशन चेक करते हैं, देन ट्रू ब्लॉक और फॉल्स ब्लॉक को हम एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं। तो यदि हमारी कंडीशन ट्रू होती है तो हम ट्रू ब्लॉक को एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, और जब कंडीशन फॉल्स होगी तो फॉल्स ब्लॉक को एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे। ठीक है, सो नाउ up to this point we have to understand here. So true block we have to this, and this is the false block here. Okay, so now we have to discuss here the one things here. I am going to write a syntax of the first ternary operator. So first we are going to write the condition here. Okay, तो पहले हम लोग कंडीशन को देखेंगे। इफ कंडीशन विल बी द ट्रू, दैट विल बी एग्जीक्यूट योर ट्रू ब्लॉक, अदरवाइज इट विल बी द फॉल्स ब्लॉक। यू कैन सी द सिमिलर एज योर इफ इल्स स्टेटमेंट। सो इफ इल में हम क्या करते थे, फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट अ कंडीशन, देन ओपन द पैरेंथेसिस, क्लोजिंग द पैरेंथेसिस, देन एल्स ब्लॉक, and now opens and closing the braces. Yes, 1 minute, hold to that process. So this is the condition will be the true, and this is the false. So if my condition will be the true, it will be go to the true block will be the execute, right? So if your condition is going here, so this block is going to the execute. If condition will be the false, it will signal will be comes to the else block, and this part will be the execute. So I hope this condition we have to understand. In the previous class I told you, you can see that is a similar logic of this ternary operator and if else. Now question will be arise, sir, which concept will be the use logic like this ternary operator I will use and if else, as your choice, as your programmer. But you have to go to the simple writing of the code. That is the only the difference is writing the code here, right? Like you have to see this code, you are going to write to this code here. So on that moment we have to see the code here, right? This is only the difference up to this part, and you can see the syntax of this ternary operator here, right? So that is the only the difference is the way of writing the code here, right? So I hope everybody is getting to this point, and thank you to watching to this section. Yes or no? मेरे